BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachuti and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 136 of season 3. Today's word is imbibe. Imbibe means to receive some knowledge into the mind and retain, to experience something and get influenced. It is also used to express consumption of some liquid. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word imbibe. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Imbibe is spelled as I-M-B-I-B-E. The word imbibe means to receive some knowledge and experience something. It is also sometimes used to express consuming some liquid. For example, Saint Tukaram imbibed spiritual knowledge from a very young age. Or Anagha imbibed several cups of coffee to stay awake. Listen carefully how we can use the word imbibe in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. A leading NGO in the country is organizing workshops for children about importance of hygiene. This will allow the children to imbibe the best practices about cleanliness and a healthy lifestyle. Example number 2 of 8. Marshall left his motherland at a very young age with his parents. As a result, he missed the opportunity to imbibe the native customs and traditions of his home country. Example number 3 of 8. Ahmed worked in various local restaurants as an assistant for many years. These stints helped him to imbibe a deep knowledge about the local cuisine. Example number 4 of 8. Gavin traveled to India for a business trip. He met a monk and was exposed to the practice of yoga. He was very fascinated and decided to formally learn and imbibe the science of yoga. This is an amazing example, isn't it? We train English learners in vocabulary development in our advanced English fluency course at our training centers in Mumbai. But don't you worry, if you don't stay in Mumbai, we have an online English fluency course for you too. To know more, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Pancham often accompanied his father to his music studio. He could witness the performances of several eminent singers, and this helped him to imbibe a sense of music at a very young age. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. Tanmay was a teenager who belonged to a wealthy family. His grandfather wanted him to realize the importance of money. So, he sent him to stay at the native place for a year so that he can imbibe the techniques of using money judiciously. Let us see what example number 7 of 8 has in store for us. Atul was very curious to know more details about the technology behind perfume making and start his own manufacturing of perfumes. Hence, he visited many European countries and studied their perfume manufacturing plants with an objective to imbibe the finer points of this technology. Example number 8 of 8. The student exchange program encourages students to live in another country for a specified period with the host family. This experience widens their vision and helps them to imbibe the values of humanity and brotherhood. Today we learnt the word imbibe, which means to receive some knowledge into the mind and retain, to experience something and get influenced. It is also used to express consumption of some liquid. Can you frame 3 sentences with imbibe and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to improve your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 136 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be uploading 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.